and today we are going to explore the forest with Kuya Kylie, Mommy, Iska, Tita Neng, Daddy, and Tita Quezel, I think. Wait. Wasn't there Grandma? Oh, Zion! There's Zion. You remember him from previous video? Zion! God, do you remember Zion? He was in the video name, the Moon Woke Up series. Wow. Really fast. Hi.
Oh, ya, tama na. Okay, Chief. You next. Ay, tama, may motor pati.
Mommy.
Ay, sorry. Oh, your vlog. Dapat nag-vlog ko. Capture.
No.
How do you capture?
Ay, dami.
Oh. You want to take a picture ba?
Hey, I wanna explore this forest. I wanna explore this forest.
Ka-picture ka rin, Kyrie? Ha?
Okay.
Oh, taas! Ano yun?
Yeah. There. Hello, Mr. Tesla. Guys, I have a Tesla. Dude. Look at the Tesla.
Take a picture ba?
Nothing.
Nothing. Smiley, smile. Okay.
Oh, there is a Tesla. Oh, but I thought we were going to explore, not. I thought we were gonna explore.
Saan na next?
Ay, you want to view it like that? Start na hour.
Basta-basta yan dyan sa ano? Waiting car na yan.